Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So good to be back on your screens again, and today I'll be sharing with you a tutorial on how you can rock your knotless braids even when it is rough. Sometimes you just need to slay your braids because you just made it in the matter of weeks and it's so rough already. So don't worry, I got you today. So grab your hair wax or gel, grab your bandana or scarf, and let's do this. So this gel I'll be using today, well, I'm not really happy with this product because when I got it, it was half the container and it was pricey and I didn't get value for my money, but really we're still going to use it all the same. So right now we're going to be packing our hair upward. I am going to be packing my hair upward like I'm making a bun. So guys, just grab a chair and enjoy the whole process. Okay guys, style is ready, but not yet. We need to make a bun to spice things up, you know, to make it more very fancy. So if you don't know how to make a bun, just follow this process carefully and you're sure gonna get hit. So guys, this particular style is so simple and easy to get because I'm just going to be tying this scarf to the back and making sure to add just 2 strands of my hair to the front just to spice things up. So make sure your knot at the back is tight and firm so that you're not going to get a loose bandana or scarf in the public. this style, I'm going to be tying my scarf to the front and make sure to have a bun in front. Sometimes we underrate how nice buns are on our hair, and I feel like we need to use it more often. So yeah, just do this and you're good to go. Alright guys, cheers to slaying your knotless braid even when it is rough and you don't want to take it down yet. You can try these styles on any kind of braids and it will come out really well. Make sure you get a bandana or scarf that is going to pop out your hair. So guys, let me know in the comment section which of the styles you're going to try when next you are trying out this tutorial. Alright guys, subscribe if you have not done that to my channel. Click on the like button and give me a thumbs up. Thank you guys. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.